Hi kids, I hope all of you are doing fine. So today, since we have learned the story of Nehemiah, so now I'm going to show you an activity pertaining to the story. The first activity is for the beginners. It's a very simple activity. So for that we need a plain sheet, preferably an A4 size sheet like this. And then we need a few color pencils, we need brown color paint, and we need a sharpener. Okay, so let's get started. So the activity looks like this. Okay, so since Nehemiah was the prophet who rebuilt the wall of Jerusalem, we are going to do that activity now. So as we start, the first one is going to be the drawing of Nehemiah. So it's a very simple drawing. We just need to follow how I do, and then you can after drawing you can even color the image that you have drawn. So we will first draw Nehemiah on top, and then below that we will be doing the wall. So how are we going to do the wall? So we will take a paint, brown color paint, in a bowl or in a saucer, and then take a sharpener, and then you have to just dab the sharpener, the edges, to the paint. So when you dab the edges to the paint, the paint gets stuck to the sharpener's edges or the corners of the sharpener. Then, so once you start doing the wall, we will be doing from the top, because if you start doing from bottom, the paint will get stuck to your hand. So once you start doing the wall, it will be, we just need to dab. So as you dab, it looks like this. So after you finish the first line, the second line needs to be, since it has to look like a wall, it has to be between the two bricks. So it will come in an alternate way, in between the two bricks. So it looks like a wall. Okay? Isn't that simple? So we take a sharpener, we dab it in the paint, so the corners of the sharpener becomes the wall, and then we first do the top line, and then we do the second line with alternatively after in between the two bricks. Okay, then after which you can color Nehemiah, and then you can write the memory verse to the side, and then give few clouds on top, and then write Nehemiah's name down. Alright, so this is the activity for the beginners. Now let's move ahead for the activity for the juniors, inters and seniors. So the activity that I have shown before is for beginners and the primaries, and this activity is for the juniors, inters and the seniors. So when you look at this, it's a similar kind of activity, but we will be doing a 3D wall. Alright, so how do we do this 3D wall? The image remains the same. The image of Nehemiah, the memory verse, the clouds and the name, all of it remains the same. But the wall, how do we do it? So let's get started. So we will take 1 cup of flour. Okay, so you see the flour, right? Your mom makes rotis with this, chapatis with this. You take 1 cup of flour, and then little water, and then you make a fine dough. So when you make a dough, preferably one size chapati dough, so it comes like a ball. Okay, now when you get this, you can take the help of your mother. So you need to roll it. So once you roll it, so be it any shape, because we just need the bricks for the walls. So to get the shape of the bricks, so once you roll it, you will take a knife and then you will just cut the edges, because you need to get rectangular bricks. So once you cut the edges, you can just start cutting them like bricks. So you can please take help of your mother or your parents in case you are feeling a little difficult to do this. So the similar thing which we have done for Nehemiah for the beginners and the primaries, we do the same thing for the juniors, interns and seniors as well. So we draw Nehemiah. What do we do with this? So once we draw and color, we take it and then we take a little Fevicol and then we stick it. Okay, so start sticking at a distance, so a little bit, just leave a little gap and then start sticking it. So it looks like a wall. Like as I've told the beginners and the primaries also, while you're doing the wall, it needs to be in distance, and when you're doing the second line, from the second line, it needs to be in alternate way, so that it looks like a wall. So once you stick it, so I've just stuck it something like this. So once you stick it, it looks like this. So you can complete it. After you stick, you can leave it for it to dry. So once it dries, see the texture, it becomes hard. So once it dries, the texture becomes hard and it looks like a wall. So you can even paint it with brown color, and you can even give a similar thing. You can write a memory verse, and also you can write the name of the prophet Nehemiah. I hope you all have enjoyed the activities. I want each and every one of you to do the activity and send it to your Sunday school teacher. Okay? Bye.